This is a urgent cry, my people. The great Lieutenant Stitchie needs our help. Welcome back to the Jamaican Analyst channel. I am calling out to every Jamaican, not only Jamaican, but those in the Caribbean, those in the wider parts of the world, calling out, let's get together and see how best we can reach out and help one of our own members of the diaspora. Lieutenant Stitchie needs your help. I'm calling for Jamaicans here in Jamaica and all over the world, and those who love this man. He has done well for this country, has done well for himself, but he is in a position now where he needs our help. And I am using this medium, I am using this platform to reach out on his behalf. His family has set up a GoFundMe account. You can search online, it is there. Whatever the donations are, it is well needed, and I know it will be well appreciated. I know there are those that will say he should have, money saved up to do or to take care of his medical expenses. But can I tell you, my viewers and subscribers, sickness never made for anybody special. It can happen to any one of us. So let us not go down the negative route. I am asking humanity to help Lieutenant Stitchie, all of us, whatever help we can give. If we cannot do it financially, send up a prayer for him. Send up a prayer for him. Say something kind. Type something kind in the comment section. Wish him the best of health. Put a prayer emoji. Let's talk to God on his behalf, because any one of us could fall in this position. Today we are here, tomorrow we are not. Let's get together, my viewers and subscribers, wherever in the world this video reach, and let us help find that GoFundMe, and whatever you can contribute, please do so. Brotherly love, calling on humanity. My brothers and sisters out there, please, let's do this for Lieutenant Stitchie. Please like, comment, share this video so others can see. United we stand, divided we fall. Let's do this for one of our own, legend in the dancehall and gospel genre, Lieutenant Stitchie. Let's do it for him. Share this video so that it can go viral, so that others can see and give an helping hand. Until our next video, do take care.